Hello. Did you know the first chiropractic patient in history was named Harvey Lillard? In his own words, he said, "I was deaf 17 years, and I always expected to remain so, for I had doctored a great deal without any benefit. I had long ago made up my mind not to take any more ear treatments, for it did me no good. Last January, Dr. Palmer told me that my deafness came from an injury in my spine. This was new to me, but it is in fact that my back was injured at the time I went deaf. Dr. Palmer treated me on the spine, and in 2 treatments I could hear quite well. That was 8 months ago, and my hearing remains good." See, Harvey Lillard was a janitor in the Ryan block where Dr. Palmer had his office. He had been so deaf that he could not hear the racket of a wagon on the street or the ticking of a watch. 17 years earlier, when he was exerting himself in a cramped stooping position, he felt something give way in his back, and he immediately became deaf. An examination from Dr. Palmer showed that a vertebra was moved from its normal position. He reasoned that if that vertebra was replaced, Harvey's hearing should be restored. A half an hour's talk later, and he persuaded Mr. Lillard to allow him to replace it. How many of you are hesitant to get adjusted? Imagine the thoughts going through Harvey's head. He said that he tried several different medical therapies, and not one helped him. But nonetheless, he let Dr. Palmer adjust his spine, and soon after, he could hear again. After doing extensive research about physiology, Dr. Palmer surmised that Harvey's hearing loss was due to a misalignment that blocked the spinal nerves that controlled the inner ear. He also then saw that the spinal adjustment reduced the nerve compression, and Harvey's hearing returned to normal. Mr. Lillard is just one example of a patient who was able to overcome a serious problem in part by receiving targeted chiropractic adjustments. It could be hearing issues like the one Harvey had, or for another person, gastrointestinal issues, sciatica, vertigo, decreased immune function, or many other conditions that are compromising your quality of life. When you consider how all the parts of your body are controlled by the nerves traveling through your spine, it's mind-blowing to consider how vast the positive outcomes of realigning the spine and taking the pressure off the nerves can be. If you like this information, please click the subscribe button here, and you will be notified when future videos are posted to my channel. Thank you.